What if you really believed that spiritual and financial abundance is possible and available for you right here, right now? What would be different? Like, how much more inspired and effective would you be in sharing your gifts with the world? And how much less stressed and upset and overwhelmed would you be in managing your money? I'm Karen Russo, author of The Money Keys, and I believe that this state of spiritual and financial vitality is essential and available to us right here, right now. And that's why I'm so excited to invite you to the online workshop, It Was There All Along, sponsored by the Ahava Center. And I'll be sharing from my over 15 years as the author of The Money Keys, teaching and coaching about a holistic approach to money. And you'll walk away knowing exactly how to stop the financial stress reaction. You'll be able to identify which of the three money traps has got you caught and how to escape. And you'll have 2 weekly prosperity practices that will keep you focused and inspired all week long. I can't wait to be with you.